as you can see, it has everything you need to get your bike all cleaned up and looking like new. Check this out, Focopot has sent me this right here. This is the ultimate bike chain cleaner kit. It's a 12-piece kit. I'm gonna unbox this with you guys so you guys can see everything you get inside of this kit right here. It comes with a nice toolbox. As you can see, it's got little compartments here at the top, as well as even a measuring guide right here. Little boxes so you can put little parts in it as well. This part opens here as well, so you've got two small compartments right here and a large long one right here for extra parts and pieces right there. Nice durable handle. These parts right here you're gonna pull open to get to the inside of your toolkit. A nice microfiber in here, blue and then gray on the other side, and it even has a little loop here so you can hang it up to dry. That is awesome. All types of brushes right here for cleaning big portions of the bike as well as smaller portions that are hard to get to. You've got other brushes here, all types of tools, nice sizes right here. Then you've got your bicycle cleaner right here. This right here is gonna be able to clean the entire bike, even the frame of the bike. Now this kit specifically is great for all bikes. Got a road bike, mountain bike, or even an e-bike. You can use any of these tools or cleaners with that bike. Right here we have the grease remover right here. This is gonna be for your chain. And you even got a small little bottle of bike chain lube. This right here is for this, and you'll use it to put the lube into your chain. Got a nice brush right here. This is gonna be great to brush your wheel with. And then on the inside right here, you've got another little microfiber right here. That's super nice and soft, so your bike frame isn't gonna get scratched up. Here are the attachments right here for your cleaners right there. You've got spray attachments, which is super nice, and these all have a stream or a spray feature right here by turning the tops. All right, and then you also have this right here. This is gonna be your chain scrubber. So you'll attach this to your, let's go ahead and open this up. You'll attach this to your chain. Once your chain is in there, this is going to help clean your chain right here. It's got little brushes on the inside, as you can see. That's gonna run through your chain. You're gonna put this degreaser on there to clean that chain. And once you're done cleaning it and it's all dried up, then you can put your lube onto your chain and re-lube it, and it'll be good as new. So as you can see, it has everything you need to get your bike all cleaned up and looking like new. So if you guys are interested in something like this, this has got everything you need, from cleaning it to the chain, all of that to make it look nice.